Hello everyone, I'm coming to you from inside my car. I decided to camp overnight in the Prius. I had done this previously in my Suzuki Grand Vitara, and it proved to be the most uncomfortable night ever because the seats didn't fold up nearly as well as these do. So this will be my first go at camping in the Prius at night. I'll show you my setup. I'm staying at the Linville Falls Campground. I was incorrect earlier in the video. I said that they had a bathhouse, and actually they have two restroom facilities but no showering facilities. So keep that in mind if you plan on staying at this campground. Another thing to know is that it closes on the last day of October, and it doesn't reopen until spring of next year. However, I think that the actual Linville Falls is still open, just you can't stay at the campground during this time. So now I'm going to show you the inside of the car, how I got it set up. I'll let you know in the morning how well it worked out for me. Make some breakfast and then probably go to the lower basin of the Linville Falls and maybe head out to like Little Switzerland or something else on the parkway. Alright, we're in the car. I've got like fairy lights. I got a set in the back as well, strung up. I don't have them on right now. I have the back seat folded down and the front passenger seat folded down. And I have a memory foam mattress here that tri-folds into a like plastic thing that holds it in the back there. Got my suitcase there. It was just enough space to squeeze it in, and behind that has my towels. I got my cooking items down here, which you probably can't see. Alright. And then in the front seat, I got a mess. My health and beauty aid stuff, my food, my backpack, my tablet, my phone, chargers, just all kinds of mess. The plan is to do some drawing before I go to bed because I don't have any signal out here, unfortunately. I can do some texting, but the signal is so weak I cannot watch movies or anything, and I'm so accustomed to watching documentaries when I go to bed at night, so this complete pitch black silence is going to be kind of difficult. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep well. Well, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, everyone. I made it through the night, and it was a rough one. It was a little bit cold. About 3:30, I actually turned on the car to get some heat. I guess I slept okay, especially after I turned the heat on. Right now, I'm scrambling up some eggs that I got from my chickens yesterday for breakfast, and then we're going to head out to the falls one more time before we go off on a new adventure. So, look forward to that. Scrambling up my eggs. Place has cleared out a lot since last night. A lot of people have already set out on their adventures. There's my car. I'm at spot number 31 at Linville Falls Campground. It's a pretty decent spot. I'm enjoying it. Well, I'm about to eat my breakfast. I'll check in with you guys later.